Welcome to my channel. In this video I am discuss about the definition of organic chemistry and classification of organic compound. Okay, so let's get started. In our natural resources obtain many compounds and substances. Okay, in our natural resources obtain many substances and compound and these substances and compound contain carbon and hydrogen and both contain called as the hydrocarbon because hydro means hydrogen, carbon means carbon, and hydrocarbon compound called as the organic compound and when we study this organic compound called as the organic chemistry Okay, so what is the definition of organic chemistry? It is the study of chemistry of carbon. It is the study of the chemistry of carbon called organic chemistry. Okay, so what is the main thing is that there are so many compounds obtained from these natural resources and those compounds contain carbon and hydrogens called hydrocarbon and hydrocarbon compounds called organic compound. When we study this organic compound called organic chemistry, and what is the definition of organic chemistry? It is the study of the chemistry of carbon called organic chemistry. Next, how to classify the organic compound? Okay, so organic compound classify based on skeleton of carbon. Okay, so organic compound classified into two types. Okay, first is called as the open chain compound, also called as aliphatic compound, and next is called as the closed chain compound. Okay, what is open chain compound and the aliphatic compound? Open chain compound means that there is a chain of the carbon. For example, there is a chain of the carbon CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, the chain of the carbon is a linear or branched. Okay, the chain of the carbon is a linear or the branch called as the open chain compound. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 called as the butane. Okay, linear chain. And next is the CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is called as branch. So 1, 2, 2 methyl and 4 carbon is present called as the butane. Okay, so this is the compound called as the open chain compound and aliphatic compound, where is the carbon chain is a linear or the branch. Okay, next is what is the closed chain compound? Closed chain compound means that the ring is present. For example, ring is present CH2, 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 CH2. The ring is present and the ring is closed. Okay, so these are called as the cyclohexane. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cyclopentane. Okay, the ring is the close between the carbon, and next is that the cyclic ring is present. So this called as the closed chain compound, and this is called as the open chain compound. Next is open chain compound. Open chain compound further divided into two types. Further divided into two types. Okay, first is the saturated compound, saturated carbon compound, and next is the unsaturated carbon compound. Unsaturated compound. Okay, what is the saturated? Saturated means that the between the carbon there is only a single bond is present. Between the carbon there is only a single bond is present, called as the saturated compound. So the example is the alkane. Okay, in this saturated compound called as the alkane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this name is the butane, called as butane. Again CH3, CH2, CH3, this called as the propane. Okay, so the compound is called as the saturated compound where is only a single bond is present, called as the saturated compound, and these called as alkane. Next is what is the unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound is further divided into two types. Okay, so between the carbon there is a double bond is present, called as the double bond is present. Okay, so this is called as the alkene, and between the carbon there is a triple bond is present, so called as the alkyne, so CH2, okay, so this called as the ethene, and next is CH triple bond CH, called as ethyne, So this compound called as the unsaturated compound where double bond is present, where is triple bond is present. Between the carbon there is a double bond is present, called as the alkene, and between the carbon there is a triple bond is present, called as alkyne, and between the carbon there is a single bond is present, called as the alkane. So these are the saturated compound and unsaturated compound. Okay, so I hope you clear all these concepts. So thank you so much.